Meaning of hand-hot.
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 Hand-hot. The term hand-hot is typically used in the context of metals. It refers to a temperature that is hot enough to be uncomfortable or even painful to the touch, but not so hot as to cause injury. This temperature range can vary depending on the metal being referred to, but it generally falls between 100 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. When a metal is described as being hand-hot, it means that it has reached this temperature range and is ready to be worked with, without the need for additional heating or cooling.